Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem palindrome. So first we would understand the question and then we would move forward to the code part. So let's start. So basically today we are solving the problem palindrome. First we need to understand that what do we mean by palindrome. So let's take a string madam. Now see, this is the string madam when I read it from the start towards the end. Now if I write this string in reverse order, okay, in reverse order, that means this string would be M, A, D, A and again M, okay. So basically you can see that from the start, if I read it from the start or even if I read it from the end, right? From the start or from the end, it doesn't matter. The string is same from the start, 1 minute, from the start equal to end. Okay, so basically if I start reading the string from the start or start reading it from the end, it doesn't matter because it remains the same. These type of strings are known as palindrome. Okay, so this is the meaning of palindrome. Now guys, our question is that we would be given a string and we need to check if the given string is palindrome or not. So what we can do is, basically first I take my string that is str, okay, then I store it in another string that could be k, for example, okay. So basically I take my string, the given string, and store it in k as well, okay. Then I check if the reverse of k, okay. For doing the reverse of k, I would be using the slicing method, okay. So I would check if the reverse of k is equal to the string, okay. So if the reverse of k is equal to the string, then the string is palindrome, okay, then the string is palindrome. If not, if the string is not equal to the reverse of k, okay, then it is not a palindrome, okay. So basically first I would store the string in k, then I would reverse the string k using slicing method, then I would compare the given string and the new string k that I created, okay. If they are equal, then it is a palindrome. If they are not equal, then it is not a palindrome. So this is how I would solve the question. So now let's do it. So guys, 1 minute. First we would go to the practice portal. Then in the difficulty level, we would choose school, okay. We would choose school over here. And then the next thing is, we would find the problem palindrome, okay. Once we find it, we would click on solve. Okay, so this is the question. Let's read it. Given an integer, check whether it is a palindrome or not, okay. So we are given an integer and we need to check if it is a palindrome or not, okay. So we would code over here, okay. So let me clean the screen, okay. So let's start, let's do it. So like I mentioned, first I would store the given string in k, okay. So let's do it. So k equal to str, that is the string end, okay. So I store it over here. Then the next thing is, I would check if the k, reverse of k, is equal to the given string or not. So I would write if k square bracket colon -1, that is the slicing method, equal to str n, okay. So this is the string, this is the given string, and this is the new string that I created in reverse, okay. So this is the two strings I am comparing, okay. So if they are equal, that means the given string is palindrome. So I would print yes. So I can just return space double quotes and I can just return with yes, okay, because if the string is palindrome, I need to return with yes, okay. Now else, if this is not true, then I need to return with no. So else I would return with, 1 minute, return with a no. So if it is not a palindrome, then I would return with no. Now this is how you code it, but first we need to check if it is correct or not. So let me click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, so the compilation is done. So my output is matching with the expected output. So now let me submit the problem. Okay, so it is getting submitted. Let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the question palindrome. So I hope you guys have found this session helpful and you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Thank you.